To stretch the hip flexors, simply extend the entire limb back. Notice the position of the physiotherapist and her hands. She is directing the limb backwards with her left hand around the dog's ankle or hock joint and is gently pushing the limb straight out with her right hand on the stifle or knee joint. You want to take the stretch just before the point where the dog will be a bit uncomfortable with it. Now you've probably noticed that when she stretches this dog out, that the dog jumps a little bit. That just means she went a little too far, so she backed off with her stretch, made sure the dog is in a comfortable place, and then held it there for about 15 to 20 seconds. It's always nice if you can do it 2 or 3 times in a row. At no point should this be an unpleasant event for your dog. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.